So,
but you know who really needs a vaccine, bro? Businesses.
Good life, easy.
100%. क्या बात बोला?
They really
Bro,
need a
what
vaccine.
does
bro.
actually think about
Yeah.
it?
It was in survival mode last year. Everyone had just booked their losses. Everyone was like, okay, we are safe. We can get back. Money can be made. You know, businesses can come back. Everyone had an understanding. Everyone was like, work from home, adapt. Ye karenge, wo karenge. You know.
Correct.
And now, when everybody is struggling, you know, all businesses are shattered.
Shattered. I'm saying जितना भी
Survival has become difficult.
जितना भी पैसा बनाया, okay, from say November to March, how much ever money you made for how many ever losses you made last year in 2020, all gone
Double.
in a span of 2 weeks.
Losses have doubled.
Gone.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what is the vaccine? What
Yeah.
do you propose?
What is the solution?
What's the solution according to you?
What
Is there a solution, or is the government even capable enough to come up with a solution for
the
businesses?
government should somehow help in a little way, in a small way if possible. I'm not saying you tell everybody not to pay rent or not to pay any electricity, but you can help out a little bit.
Correct.
Help out a little bit.
Give the vaccines for free at least.
Give the vaccines for free.
Start from there, no?
That's what I'm saying.
Start from
Give
there.
the vaccines for free, distribute it well. I would be so happy if the government took charge. Forget distribution of vaccine, forget everything. Just curtail the black market like gangsters. Finish those people who try to sell remdesivir and
Bro,
all
that's fucked
to the
up.
dying people.
That's
you know, if
fucked
the government takes action, strict action,
That's
fucking catches those people, the syndicate.
हाँ,
you know.
bro, it
I would
deserves-
be proud.
But now-
vaccine tomorrow.
Of course.
ये ऐसा किया
Of
ना
course,
तूने मेरे
of
लिए
course,
चल
of
vaccine
course.
tomorrow. At least I know that there's no malice, there's no
Correct,
cheating
correct,
going on.
correct.
It's not a dirty.
But what was in the news yesterday?
What was in the news?
Who is behind this injection? Who's blocking the injection to Maharashtra?
Fadnavis. But they all.
ये सब न्यूज में आ रहा है.
But that's what I'm saying. This now the news you can't read because it's propaganda from both sides.
Then
One side is coming up with this whole story, and then you and me are getting charged up. के बहन चोद ऐसा किया,
तो
ऐसा किया अपने साथ, and then the other side is coming up with a
Full
equally
different story, yes,
convincing
yes.
story.
Fully manipulating.
कि ऐसा है ही नहीं, ये लोग तुमको उल्लू बना रहे हैं. देखो ये इतना बाकी, ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, and then you're just sitting confused.
manipulation of the society.
Yeah, you just want to be like shut the TV, man.
Shut it down. Bro.
चाहिए
Shut
ही
it down. So now even if you look left, people are trying to fuck you. Look right, people are trying to fuck
Exactly.
you. And you can't move front and
So
back.
what you're doing is putting your own mask and be like, अपने को बचाओ अभी.
बचाओ.
You know. So businesses, what do they need? They need a little help. They're not going to get any help, you know. But Indians are fucking resilient people, you know. Come out of the ditch 1,000 times before and 1,000 times after also we'll
True
do
that.
it. So
We will survive.
eventually, you have to allow the businesses and allow the people to go to work. You have to eventually find a way to tell the people that your life is your responsibility and your surroundings are also your responsibility. Be responsible.
Correct.
You know, put in a good message.
Correct.
I am sure the people will listen to a good message.
Bro, see
The messaging has been so poor. See,
very
what
poor.
happens is now, we all know, right? Today, when parents also tell the children, don't smoke, don't do this, don't go driving before you're 18. What do the children do? What have
They
you and
do
me
the
done?
same thing.
We've done, when you're
It's
told
a fact.
not to do
Yeah,
something,
yeah,
you
yeah.
do it.
Human tendencies, bro.
And what does it create? It creates a fucking battle between the parents and the children. So right now, where are we? We are reading these news and we are like, bro, ये government ऐसा उल्लू बना रही है अपने को, वो government अपने को वैसा उल्लू बना रही है, सब उल्लू ही बना रहे हैं, अपन क्या कर रहे हैं?
क्या
कुछ नहीं
करे
कर
तो
रहे
क्या
हैं.
करे?
We are getting
Losing
frustrated.
hope.
We are getting frustrated with the government because the messaging is so poor. You know, the information, the spread of information is so poor. If the government comes, you know, it should be like hand in hand. You know, we want to be with our leaders.
Yeah,
Why
bro,
would we
because
not?
At this point, it's you're fighting one common enemy.
Yeah.
You're understanding? You're not.
Exactly.
It's not like a battle of nations.
Yeah.
It's one common enemy.
Exactly.
Okay. And if humans are only not fucking united,
Yeah.
how are we gonna succeed?
And also, don't you think like in all this time, somehow the rhetoric has been that if you're going to work, it's like a party. Like you want to fucking go to work.
Bro, I'm gonna
it's
work.
like a fucking party or something.
Gonna work,
that you're
bro.
going to work.
Oh shit.
You have no responsibility.
No
You're not doing
Shit.
the right thing. Sit at home.
Why are you spreading this shit,
Yeah, why
bro?
you spreading
What
this
if
shit?
you have it?
Yeah.
But you're asymptomatic.
Yeah.
But my business is about to shut down, motherfucker.
Yeah.
You know?
So it's one thing to say that be responsible and sit at home. Just sit at home. Right now, the country is going through this. Yes, we all know this.
Arey, but
this information is common knowledge for everybody. But somewhere, someone has to start.
Correct.
Right? You have to pay. The bills, the expenses have increased,
Correct.
not reduced.
way too high.
Right? Today, you 3 times in a month you have to sanitize your business also.
Then
Everyone has to wear a
then-
mask.
Correct.
You have to make sure that only half the employees come, but you pay a salary for all the employees.
And petrol prices and all have gone like absurdly
Bro,
high.
वो तो भूल जाओ, वो तो भूल
वो
जाओ.
तो उधर जाते ही
वो भूल
नहीं
जाओ,
है.
उधर
मैं
जाते ही
बोलता,
नहीं है.
है.
उधर तो जाने ही कहीं नहीं है.
जाते
वो
ही
तो
नहीं.
अलग ही
चल,
बात है.
Done. और टैक्स तो हम लोग को मालूम है पूरा पैसा तो उसमें ही जाता है.
हाँ, tax.
हाँ.
Bro, सबने
Bro,
savings
as a-
everyone has paid taxes
हाँ.
from savings and broken FDs and whatnot, bro.
As a startup, bro, this was my first experience of running a company where I had to pay my company taxes. And I was shocked, bro.
Yeah.
I was so unaware of my taxes
Yeah.
that I was shocked that this is the amount of money we give to our government.
Yeah.
And in return, vaccines are not free. That's what, like, I was like, bro,
Absolutely.
you got to think about this shit twice.
Absolutely. At the end, we want some support. It's our money, you know.
See, again, it's very disappointing that we as grown gentlemen and citizens of India have to sit and talk about this, but it's something that cannot be ignored.
Absolutely
You know?
not.
It's very disappointing. Like, I'm feeling disappointed talking about my country like this.
Yeah. And
But
also,
bro,
it's not like
we are the youth.
But also, you know what? We are not pointing fingers
No,
at
not at all.
somebody
Not at
and
all.
saying that इसने तो यही किया, ये भी ऐसा है, वो भी ऐसा किया. We are just saying
Yeah.
that there can be a better
Yes.
solution.
And it's coming from the heart.
And you know why we can say this? Because we are citizens of this country, you know, tax-paying citizens of the country. So when you're paying so much tax, you want to know,
Absolutely.
right? You have elected leaders. So
Correct.
when you have elected a leader,
You expect
It's
the
their
leader to
job.
do something. Yeah.
it's their job. You know, just saying that the government is not doing this properly doesn't mean you're hating against them. It's you're just telling them that buck up. We have chosen you to do
Yeah,
a job.
Protect your fucking citizens.
Protect your citizens and listen to the citizens.
Yeah.
Nah? What are they saying right now? One thing is so for sure that everyone's in fear, bro. You know.
But still, na Devang, even though everyone's in fear now, there's two things that are always guaranteed, bro. That the government will never accept its mistake.
Oh, no chance.
Okay. And the public will always forget.
Absolutely.
These are two things that
Very well said.
equal India's population and ruling whatever.
Very
party.
well said. Very well said. Because at the end, when these things happen, you always feel that every political party is doing everything in their ability just to stay in power.
Correct. Everything.
Then
in the ability,
everything
yeah.
else is secondary.
Yes. Yes.
But the first priority is staying in power.
But tell me one thing. As a way to prove that you deserve to be in power, you have to prove that you can fucking handle a pandemic correctly, right?
No, that's what I'm
That's
saying.
a way of telling the public, dude, I fucking handled this. We got corona out of the way. The curve flattened. The cases fell. It was a success story. And this was done by this ruling party.
Yeah. So now think about it. Last year, did anybody complain? We all. What did the
No.
the government said? Okay, this is a time COVID has come. 21 days sit at home. Everybody was like, okay, we got to do this. 21 days became 7 months. Everybody sat at home.
Correct.
Nobody wanted to sit at
Correct.
home. Everybody realized that okay, the vacation is over. Now we are frustrated. We don't have anything to watch on Netflix. What to do? You know, my AC bill is going fucking off the chain. Where do I get the
Everyone,
money
yes,
from?
boss. That's a fact.
Right? But
That's a fact.
but everybody was hand in hand to defeat one enemy.
Correct.
Right?
One common
then slowly
enemy.
and steadily everything opened up because we were seeing that okay, chalo, things are
Correct.
going down.
Correct.
But now, what's
Abhi
happened? Abhi kya? Where is the preparedness? एक
See,
साल
now
था ना
I'm
preparedness के लिए.
just saying what are you saying is gonna happen this year? Any prediction like last year you were on point, bro.
No, last
So-
year you were on point. You know why? I asked you one. I don't know which podcast I asked you this one question. I just remembered. I asked you that, bro. When do you think we are going to see another lockdown in our lifetime?
Oh yeah, bro. What did I
And
say?
you know what you said? Bro, next year. And I was like, impossible. These guys are pessimists. I was like, impossible.
Bro.
I was like,
Told you,
how can
bro.
it happen,
Told
bro,
you,
next year? What
told
are
you.
you saying, bro? We just got out of one heavy lockdown.
Advising committee, I'm coming, bro. You know?